Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. It's called Wirecutter, and it's a popular product review and recommendation website that provides in-depth analysis and expert advice on a wide range of consumer products. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Wirecutter or wirecutter.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results that I got after my search about Wirecutter. I have here this similar websites and their page on Twitter and their page on Instagram and some other informations. We need the official site. That means the first one. Let's click on this link here. Wirecutter, new product review, deals, and buying advice. Let's click on this one. So this is the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find the button where you can subscribe or a login if you have already an account, and some key features here with their choices. And this page contains these products over here. Whatever you need, you will find it on the websites, and we will come back to it later to talk more about this ones here. But first, let me show you how to create the account for the first time on Wirecutter. To do that, you need just to go this black button over here and click once. And let's wait for a moment. Yeah, so now you need to choose. Do you want to pay annual or monthly? You need to choose one from these ones here. If you want to pay monthly, you need just to click over here. If you want to pay annual, you will save 40%. I will just do this one here. I will not create a real account. I will just show you the different information and the steps that you need to enter or full to create the account successfully. We have here 3 steps. The first one is about the account, the second one is about the payments, and the third one is about the review. First thing, in the account we need to write our email address. This one here, I have it already, and click on continue to pass to the next step or the next information that we need to answer it. And we need to choose a password. Now you need to click on this one here that you agree to receive updates from the times. You may opt out anytime. That means if you click this one, you can enable it wherever you want, whenever you want, excuse me. And now we need just to click on create the account. Now for the second step is about the checkout. We need to the next step will be the information about the payments. We need to choose do we want pay with the credit or the debit card or by the PayPal. Okay, if you click on the credit card, this is the information that you need to enter, and if you click on the PayPal, this is the information that you need to enter after you click on continue. And now you have the last step for the review. You need just to read the term of service and all of that. You need to see the details if you want to see the detail of the review or the Wirecutter, and the subtotal will be the $5 because we click on monthly, as you remember. And the total due every 4 weeks, you need to pay every 4 weeks, you need to pay $5. And after you read all this review here, you need just to click on PayPal to enter the information about it and continue creating the account successfully and get started with Wirecutter. So because we choose the PayPal, this is the information that you need to get or to enter to pay with the PayPal. You need just to create to enter your email or the mobile number that uses in the PayPal and click on next to complete the other steps. I will not do that because I will not pay. I don't use Wirecutter. I just show you the different information that you need to enter to create the account successfully. Now let's come back to the home page to show you the different key features that this website is present to us. So the first thing you find on the website is the product review. Wirecutter's team of experts thoroughly researches and tests various consumer products across different categories, including home appliance, electronics, kitchenware, furniture, outdoor gear, and more. They provide unbiased and detailed review, highlighting the strength and weakness of each product. And also, you can buy in the goods from up here. Wirecutter offers comprehensive buy-in guides to assist consumers in navigating through various options and finding the best products for their specific needs. These guides outline important factors to consider, provide product customization, and offer insights on features, performance, and value for money. And we have also the product comparison. When you choose refrigerators, for the product comparison, the Wirecutter provides a side-by-side comparison of multiple products within a specific category. This allows customers to see the similarities and differences between various options, making it easier to choose the product that best fits their requirements. We will see an example here on the refrigerator example. You will find the comparison over here to find the right product that you're looking for. You need just to read everything about the products to choose the best one for you. This all the information about each one from these refrigerators, side by side, like I said before. And for this one here is the user-friendly website. The Wirecutter offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. Users can search for specific products, explore different categories, and access a vast archive of review and grids, about sleep, kitchen, appliance, gift, travel, and more. Let's choose the travel to see all the products about the travel and whatever you need for traveling, like bags and more. Like you see here, it's very easy to use and search the product that you get on the Wirecutter for it. So this is our website today. I hope you guys understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like that. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you're still in good health until that time.